it's not a bike, what is it then? It made me think of Porsche 911 992. Better than nothing, right? Hi guys, Genjo here from G Drives, and today I am with the Microlino. Well, it's not a bike, not a scooter, and not quite a car either. So what is it then? Well, this unique vehicle comes from the Swiss brand Micro, the same company you probably know from their famous kick scooters. The Microlino is a compact electric vehicle, or should I call it a micro car? And honestly, I'm not quite sure what to label it, but technically it's registered as an LEV, which stands for light electric vehicle. And honestly guys, when I first saw it, it made me think of a walking car for kids. And I wonder, did the makers get their inspiration from that? Or maybe from the classic BMW EZ. So guys, this is the version with a 10.5 kilowatt hour battery and with a range of 170 kilometers and a top speed of 90 kilometers an hour. And this one sprints in 5 seconds from 0 to 50. So not bad, right? There's also a Microlino light version, which has a top speed of 45 kilometers an hour. And in the Netherlands, you can drive it from the age of 16 with a moped license. The Microlino is super compact. It's just like 2.5 meters long and 1.5 meters wide. And the weighing is between 490 and 530 kilograms, depending on the battery. So speaking of batteries, you can configure the Microlino with a 5.5 kilowatt hour with a maximum range of 93 kilometers, and like this one, the 10.5 kilowatt hour, and the biggest one, the 15 kilowatt hour option for 228 kilometers. And unfortunately, it's not possible to fast charge this thing, so charging maxes out at 2.2 kilowatt hour. So that means it takes around 6 hours from 0 to 80%. Let's talk about the exterior. This one has the Berlin Anthracite matte color, and you can also choose from 9 different colors from this car. At the front there is a LED strip that spans the entire width of the car, and LED lights on both sides, the left and the right side. And the mirrors, the side mirrors, are connected parallel to them, so that's a very nice thing. And if you want to adjust the side mirrors, you open this window and adjust it with your fingers. The wheels are 30 inches, and depending on the car's color, you will get either the white or the black hubcaps. Let's move to the back. So another LED strip running across the full width, which reminds me a bit of the Porsche 911 992. So you can open the trunk with the Volkswagen lookalike key or pressing a button on the car screen. Let's open this up, holding the button, and it takes a while.
A few years later.
And there he goes, and voila guys, 230 liters of storage space. Guys, that's incredible for such a tiny vehicle. It's only 50 liters less than a Toyota Yaris and has the same space as the Toyota Aygo, for example. And there is even an underfloor storage. It's not huge, but hey, better than nothing, right? And on the left side you have the kill switch, so if you go on vacation or something like that, you can turn this on and you kill the battery. And one more thing, let's close the trunk lid. You have to push very hard. So one more thing, the sunroof. The Microlino comes with the sunroof as standard, which you can open manually from the inside. So how do you get inside? No guys, unfortunately you can't open the front door with the key. So instead, just press this button and the magic happens. So one thing I noticed right away is that the steering wheel isn't attached to the door anymore. So that was the case with the 1.0 version of the Microlino. Why they change it, well, I'm not really sure. Moving on to the interior. 80% of the interior panels are made from recycled natural fibers, except the plastic parts, of course. This particular vehicle comes with the premium and comfort package, which means that the seats are upholstered in vegan leather and microfiber sweat. And the seats can only be adjusted forward and backward, like this. And as you can see, I fit perfectly fine in the car with my height of 1.83 meters. So let's go inside. Let's pull the thing to myself. Technically speaking, there is not much more to mention about the car's dashboard. So you have got a digital speedometer. This little screen is a touch screen to open the trunk. So with this button you can open the trunk, controlling the interior lights. Is it working? Yes, there you go. And you can operate the ventilation, and it comes in 3 different. There is no air conditioning in this car, only air ventilation, and in the winter you can heat your car. On the left side we have the gear lever from reverse, neutral and drive. The parking option is not available. You have to do that old school way by pulling the handbrake. And the horn isn't on the steering wheel either, it's on the side. Very funny. A very luxury nice touch are the sliding windows. Isn't that cool, huh? So there are also various storage compartments, like here, a place for your water bottle, and we have one over here and one over there, and you can put some things over there. And normally there will be a Bluetooth speaker. That's the part of the package, the premium package, since that's your only sound system. And I see some USB Type A ports. There was a Type C, but this one has only the Type A ports. The windshield wiper fluid is right here. Let's open this thing or break this thing. Please do not break. Here you go. So here is the windshield wiper fluid reservoir, and it's also easy to access. There you go. Guys, I had to figure out not only how to get in, but also how to get out. There is no visible button on the dashboard, so it turns out there is a little button behind this bar, and when you press it, the door opens automatically. Now, let's talk about the price. The base price for the Microlino starts at almost 20,000 euros, guys. And if you add the color, the premium interior and the largest battery pack, you are looking around 25,000 euro. And guys, I don't know about you, but 25k is a lot for this thing. And I wouldn't spend that kind of money on this. Would you pay that amount for this vehicle? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, that's enough talking for now. Click on the right side above to experience the POV test drive. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao!